some inspiring ideas for creating unique vases. 1. Geometric wooden vase. Use various wooden shapes to assemble a modern geometric vase. Experiment with angles and dimensions for a striking design. 2. Repurposed bottles. Transform glass bottles by wrapping them in twine, fabric, or paint. Add embellishments like beads or shells for a personalized touch. 3. Concrete planter. Create a sleek, minimalist vase using concrete. Pour into molds for unique shapes and finish with a paint or sealant for a polished look. 4. Terrarium vase. Design a vase that doubles as a terrarium. Layer pebbles, soil, and small plants inside a glass container for a beautiful display. 5. Rustic log vase. Hollow out a small log to create a rustic vase. The natural bark and wood grain will add an organic feel to your decor. 6. Papier-mâché vase. Use papier-mâché techniques to create lightweight, artistic vases. Customize with paint or decoupage for a fun, vibrant look. 7. Hanging glass vases. Suspend small glass vases from a wooden or metal frame using twine or fishing line, creating a floating garden effect. 8. Fabric-wrapped vase. Wrap a simple vase with colorful fabric or yarn, securing it with glue or stitches for a cozy, textured appearance. 9. Mosaic tile vase. Decorate a plain vase with mosaic tiles or broken pottery pieces for a colorful, eye-catching design. 10. Upcycled can vase. Use empty cans as vases. Paint or cover them with decorative paper, and punch holes for a rustic look that's eco-friendly. 11. Ceramic sculptural vase. Experiment with clay to create a sculptural vase. Play with forms, textures, and glazes for a unique, artistic piece. 12. Natural stone vase. Use a hollowed-out stone or a stone-like material to create a stunning, earthy vase that blends seamlessly with nature. 13. Vintage teapot vase. Repurpose an old teapot as a charming vase. The spout can be used to hold flowers, while the body adds character. Kintsugi-inspired vase. Create a vase with intentional imperfections, using gold or metallic paint to highlight cracks and breaks for a beautiful effect. 15. Bamboo vase. Cut bamboo stalks to size and arrange them as a vase, embracing the natural beauty and simplicity of this versatile material. These ideas allow you to explore various materials and techniques, resulting in unique vases that reflect your personal style and creativity. Enjoy crafting. Here are more inspiring ideas for creating unique vases. 16. Floral foam vase. Use floral foam as a base and shape it into a creative form. Cover it with moss, fabric, or paint for a playful vase that holds flowers securely. 17. Glass jar collage. Decorate glass jars with a collage of photos, stickers, or painted designs. Fill them with flowers or fairy lights for an eye-catching display. 18. Shell-encrusted vase. Adorn a plain vase with seashells, creating a coastal-themed piece. Use hot glue or strong adhesive to secure the shells in place. 19. Woven basket vase. Create a vase by weaving natural materials like grass, reeds, or fabric strips into a basket shape, providing a rustic and organic look. 20. Painted terracotta pot. Transform a simple terracotta pot by painting it with vibrant colors or intricate patterns. Seal with a clear coat for durability. 21. Upcycled wooden crate vase. Repurpose a small wooden crate as a vase. Line it with a waterproof material and fill it with fresh or dried flowers for a rustic touch. 22. LED light vase. Incorporate LED lights into a glass or transparent vase. Fill it with decorative stones or water beads for a glowing centerpiece. 23. Sculptural metal vase. Use metal sheets to create a sculptural vase. Experiment with bending and shaping the metal for an industrial yet artistic look. 24. Gourd vase, hollow out a dried gourd to create a unique vase. Paint or decorate the exterior for a fun, natural design. "25. Puzzle piece vase, assemble a vase using wooden puzzle pieces. Paint or stain them in different colors for a playful and interactive design. 26. Hemp rope vase, wrap a glass or ceramic vase with hemp rope for a textured, rustic look. This is perfect for a bohemian or coastal decor style. 27. Birdhouse vase, combine a birdhouse and vase into one unique piece. Use the base for flowers while keeping the birdhouse functional for birds. 28. Felted wool vase, create a soft, textured vase using felted wool. Shape it into a unique form and fill it with dried flowers for a whimsical touch. 29. Miniature garden vase, design a small vase that incorporates tiny plants or succulents, creating a miniature garden effect that's perfect for small spaces. 30. Recycled CD vase, use old CDs to create a reflective, mosaic-style vase. Glue pieces onto a base for a fun, shiny effect. These additional ideas will inspire you to explore different materials, techniques, and artistic expressions, resulting in truly unique vases that enhance your decor. Enjoy your crafting journey. Here are even more inspiring ideas for creating unique vases. 31. Hollowed fruit vase, hollow out a large fruit, such as a watermelon or pumpkin, to create a playful, seasonal vase perfect for parties or events. 32. Magnetic vase, create a vase that can be attached to metal surfaces using magnets. This allows for versatile placement in kitchens or workshops. 33. Vintage drawer vase, repurpose a small vintage drawer as a vase. Its unique design can hold flowers while adding character to your decor. 34. Stained glass vase, use stained glass pieces to create a colorful, translucent vase. This will catch the light beautifully and add a vibrant touch. 35. Wire frame vase, construct a minimalist vase using wire to form a unique geometric shape. This can be left as is or wrapped with fabric or twine.